The Asius Story. This is the true story of high-fidelity personal listening devices, earbuds, and in-ear monitors, and how their inventor prevented these from further deafening the world. Six. The perfect solution. Since acoustic pressures partially become pneumatic when sealed in the ear, build a second eardrum to take the pounding. Through a miraculous sound-powered pump, harvest the harmful pressures to inflate a comfortable, one-size-fits-all ear tip. Here are a few of the hundreds of news articles these discoveries and revolutionary inventions have garnered.
Nipping it in the bud. I'm Bob Carson with the Discovery Files. New advances in science and engineering from the National Science Foundation. If you're listening to this with earbuds, you could experience listener fatigue, and it has little to do with me, the subject matter, or this music. It's your ears just doing their job. Engineers at Colorado's Asius Technologies have the cause and the cure for this condition. Their research deals with systems that seal the ear canal, such as in-ear headphones or hearing aids. They initially found these systems create a highly magnified sound pressure level, and what amounts to a physiological catch-22. You see, your ear has a built-in acoustic reflex that's triggered by high sound pressure levels. Sound gets dampened to protect your inner ear, but that in turn causes you to turn the device up louder. The more you pump it up, the more you subject your eardrum to excessive shaking. Once the team understood the way the process works, they set out to develop a system that would break the cycle. Their solution? Build a second eardrum, a synthetic membrane attached to the tip of any in-ear device to take the brunt of the pounding. Eardrum protected, no acoustic reflex, and lower volume sound louder. The accurate, non-fatiguing sound provided by this new technology can be retrofitted on existing devices. It could mean a safer, richer sound for those wearing hearing aids, and less need to crank it up for the rest of us. For the Discovery Files, I'm Bob Carson.
Over 3 decades ago, Stevie Wonder's gracious support of me and my in-ear monitors validated this technology for the rest of the music profession, thereby saving hundreds of thousands of musicians and engineers from the deafening stage volumes that afflicted legends like Pete Townsend and so many others. Similarly, the National Science Foundation and the National Institutes of Health have made it possible for me to achieve even greater breakthroughs, which now allow all personal listening devices and hearing aids to sound much better and louder at lower volumes, which finally extends this superior fidelity and protection to everyone, not just musicians and engineers. 8. The transformation. Industries begin to lend both of their ears. New technology by original inventor causes lower volumes to sound louder and better. Mayor Bloomberg demands solution to earbud-related hearing loss. Now in a metronome signal, you can see quite distinct motion here, which is on the order of microns. All right, I've been asked to show the function of the Ambrose diaphonic ear lens in absorbing the overexcursions impinged on the tympanic membrane. So let's go ahead and put this in my ear canal. And you can see these motions here. And we'll focus on the eardrum. And we can see that this motion which was so great that we had up here, is now gone. Let's switch to the metronome. And we see that the membrane is absorbing these overexcursions.